so we have a special guest in this video. You can say hi.
Hi, how's it going?
And now we're gonna play some of this game. Probably a good idea. But we need to look for tapes. And I hear one. You hear that static? Oh. There's one. But the bad thing about tapes is the monster appears when you get the first tape. It starts appearing.
Of course, it's dark.
You don't want to look behind you too much. It's just like Slender.
I think that they should make your flashlight light bigger.
Can't hear tape here. You can hear the static of the tape.
No. Go. Gorilla.
But this video is probably going to be a little bit longer. Oh yeah. Like, we have two dogs that think they're each other now.
Would you care to explain a little more? Brother and sister swap places.
Oh yeah. Let's see, there's gotta be a tape here somewhere. Tape. And now we go along this way. Hopefully without the monster following us. So apparently in this he walks towards you. And it's kind of creepy because in Slender, I was kind of okay with, like, I was more okay with Slender because he teleports behind you instead of actually walks. That's creepy when he walks and stuff. Let's go find another tape.
I'm actually kind of hoping that he appears because I have no idea what this monster looks like.
Yeah, he's
and
not
I'm very, very curious to know.
He's not that pleasant. Just say, I hear him. Monster?
Did you look behind you?
Yeah.
Maybe that's why.
There you are. Hello there. But yes, he does follow me. I don't like it because I'm going to skip this place and go somewhere else.
Turn your light off and run.
Go away. That's a tape, you jerk. Quit guarding it like a noob, you camper. Camper. Camping like a noob. No, please don't make me do this. Okay, now it's gonna appear a lot. I don't like it when he catches up to you. I need to look for the hand because I found out this strange glitch, which was in the last video. I can climb up through a hand type of structure thing. And they also have the tape by it, so it's kinda like I wanna find it but I don't because then there'll be another tape and it's more of a thing where he's gonna find me. Stuff. Let's go along this trail here. Hopefully not die. I don't like doing that. Like, I think I found it. I did too. Okay, so.
Hey, there's two hands.
One of them I can climb on. If I can't climb on this one, we can't really be here. Because that means. Yes, glitch. Awesome glitch. I climbed through a hand, and now I can't see. Okay, I cannot see. That is really, okay. Let's look around for. Let me look, I'm like inside the hand. Okay, I climbed up into it. And now I'm slowly falling. No? Let's look around for the tape. The spotlight type of thing. It's gonna be like right below me. So creepy, like, because it's not appearing, apparently. I mean, I know you're not supposed to be able to do this, because this probably wasn't supposed to be here. I'm gonna jump down and hope I don't die. Because he might be, like, right there.
Jump right on his head.
There it is. Wonderful.
Hey, that's another hand tag kill too.
Kind of like inappropriate things. Why can't I get towards it? Okay. No, I'm gonna loop around. No. But I can put away my light. Let's loop around. Okay, you're cool, you're awesome. Let's go, let's get out of here. Oh, safety first. Let's get in the hand. He's like right, yeah, you see him walking towards me? Yes! No. Come on, this better be the right hand. I'm gonna get caught. He's gonna run up to me.
Run, Forrest, run! I heard a cough. Was that you?
Yeah.
Wow.
Because I ran too much. I think it's a good thing because I really don't want to be near him.
Right.
Watch, I'm gonna turn around and he's gonna like be like walking right behind me.
Don't look behind you. Just keep going.
It is another inappropriate thing. I will find them along the trails.
Holy crap. No.
That statue's got some big boulders.
I'd say.
Let's go with no light. I can't see it, it can't see me.
Tree.
What?
Tree.
Oh.
Tree. Tree with something on it.
Isn't that how it works? Like, I can't see it, it doesn't see me.
No. Usually it goes, you can't see it, but it can see you.
I can't wait until I find the cemetery.
Oh! Holy crap.
It caught up to me.
You are dead.
So it caught up to me.
Why is it red on your TV and white on your...
Because it's not that good, but let's go no lithium batteries. We'll go Smiley. Oh, we'll do both. And we'll go hard mode. Do you think we should go hard mode?
Were you in... I don't know.
Yeah,
I
we'll
mean,
just go.
you died.
The smiley face now.
Ooh,
It's all good if we have Smiley.
I like that. I like smileys. Except for, I think I like the other light better because it was definitely brighter.
This one makes everything all yellow. Okay, Turdy Rocks. Tell me what to do. Head behind your spotter.
Smiling at
It's telling me to head behind this, and you'll find a rock. Yep, boulders never lie. Wait. 1 out of 8. I feel so proud that I'm playing on hard mode.
you. Yeah.
Okay, you're appearing right off the bat. Okay. Look, we have Clover Street, Pa. Gosh, the street. Last time the monster didn't like it when I crossed the street.
Yeah. They murder you.
Yep. Please don't be
Don't
there.
look behind you.
And across the street again, just led to a dead end. There's a building on the other side of the road. I need to get to it, so I'm gonna kind of loop type of thing. Okay, please go away. Okay, you can't see me. Oh, that's probably not gonna work. We're close to you now. Okay, he is really close to me. I'm gonna run and not stop.
Well, you are on hard mode after all.
There's 2 of them, and I ran out of sprint.
Turn your light off and hide.
You won't be able to find me, and we need to get over there. He's gonna appear in the mist. He always does. I'm gonna quit running because it's getting really dim, and there's a bunch of fog, and I might just run into him. I thought he might catch up to me, and that's equally bad. So I'm gonna run at a slower pace. As you can see, my light's really dim. There's a building. Let's go hide in it, and this probably not gonna work, so I'll be in like a caged-in area, and I'll turn around, he'll be like right there. But I know there's a tape in there. It's the bad part. I see it too. No? I'm not. Okay. We're good.
You are dead!
This is scary. I like just giving it. I need to go to Google and look at like cats or something.
I like cats.
Show me, girl. Show me. Okay. Wait, how long is this video gone? Okay, 10 minutes to like 30 seconds, something second. Okay.
Yeah.
You wanna play again?
Yeah.
You wanna try?
No.
You know what, to make this even less scarier.
Pretty sure that if I played and he popped up, I would probably scream.
We'll make this less scarier.
Oh, okay.
No hard mode. How about no smiley? What things do you think we should add?
Lithium battery. Night vision.
Well, I don't think that works. I think because the lithium battery only works for the flashlight. Maybe, I don't know. No, hard mode works for all of them. But I don't like hard mode that much. Oh, we just go lithium batteries right now and we'll see if it works for night vision. Yes, great.
See, look at that clear vision.
I'm
Fabulous.
gonna get a very clear vision of that monster's face. A tremendously beautiful face. Let's try to get all 8 tapes. It's probably not gonna happen. That was not in this video. Might not ever happen. Because I usually just run around and hide and stuff. But I'm gonna have to try hiding and see if it finds me. Is there a way to like duck? I can use like both triggers to like run really fast. Oh gosh. One road. In the path though. Good thing we didn't have Lost Souls on. That'd be creepy. No, I'm not doing it. We're not at that point where I think he's behind me yet, because it's still at the first one. Oh, there's another tape. Wonderful. Is that our second tape?
Yeah.
Okay. I hear tape too. That is not good. That means we have another tape.
He hasn't appeared yet, though.
That's good. At least we're not playing on hard mode either. I'm gonna follow the wall, so I'll be like extra safe. Although
Until he corners you.
I don't like the wall anymore, because now, like, because it makes me turn. That scared me a lot. Let's go find the hand so I can climb it and like hide. Quit making me turn! I'm just gonna have one direction. Someone out! Oh wait! I probably can't look in one area too long, or it's just gonna find me.
I don't know. He hasn't appeared yet.
Nope. I hear the... Why? And you're my favorite place to hide. What? Shit. Like, I kind of walked through it. It's okay. I won't hide in the hand of gorgeous wonders and stuff. There's gotta be a tape over here. Get all 8. There's one. Found it. It's been target. 4, now the new sounds. Okay, those sounds are really creepy. I don't like them. I don't like. No. What if something that'd be really scary? Like, if, like, have you ever heard of Pedo Bear?
Pedo Bear?
Yeah.
No.
Like, instead of that monster, it'd be like Pedo Bear. It'd be chasing us. And I hear another tape. I'm not going for it because I'm already. Oh, I kind of have to. It's almost there. There's one more to go though.
Don't you find it kind of strange that he hasn't appeared yet?
Yeah. And when he does pop up. Remember one of my videos, he didn't pop up like almost at all, but then he popped up like at the end of the video. I kind of like rage quit. Blood on the tree. That's always a good sign. I don't feel safe running because when you do run, like the light goes away. And then we have to make a sharp turn into the street. And if he's not here, that's gonna really upset me. Like the tape. I don't like these sounds.
Maybe it's the less you run and whatnot that makes it so he doesn't appear longer, because you're not making as much noise when you walk as you do when you run.
Maybe. I'll try. No, I need to run because he's just gonna appear. Hurry up and get that one. We will have two more. Did we already get the one over here?
I have no idea. Doesn't look familiar.
You hear it. You definitely take it. Wonderful!
Two more.
It's gonna be like extra super duper scary or something. Little brown jay. Shut. Ah, man. I'm gonna hate this so much if, like, this video does not upload. Let's go. What else? Just let me pick up these tapes.
Got two more, man. Two more.
And it still hasn't came up to, like, it hasn't, right, it hasn't gotten here. Gotta walk in streets. Oh, no, he's up here, and he's really close. Okay, he was really close there. I don't feel safe doing that. Oh, I coughed. Chocolate, just a cough. Just a cough. Yeah, it's like a dead end. No, run.
Don't run in there. Don't run in the grass.
But he's gonna find me either way. Oh, he might actually find me either way. Oh, I don't like him at all. He appeared once. That's so really creepy. You definitely. This would be a lot more harder if it was on like on the hard mode. I realize I like to see better in like the camera, but not in this, like not on the screen. Come on, I need to find the tunnel. Come here, tunnel. I just want to beat this and get it over with. I'll make the series as long as I can beat it. Like, if I can beat it, then that'll be like the end or something. Like, probably won't be the end because I'll probably make more videos of it. Like, it'll be like, it'll take more time for me to get around to play this game again. I am not liking these sounds. These sounds are really creepy. He's only appeared once. This time he's probably gonna appear like really close by me. And
right in front of you.
Yeah. He usually does that, like on the road. I still haven't found the one on the road, so I know where the last two are. I just need to get to them without dying. I think like following the wall is a good strategy. But if I get the one on the road, oh no, because I'll be like trapped in a building, going around it and stuff. Oh, I'm gonna die.
Get the one
Come on,
that's
tunnel.
hardest last.
Yeah, the tunnel one's probably gonna be like the easier one out of both of them, because I don't want to be trapped in a room that I have to turn around to get out. Tunnel one's probably gonna be like really hard because there's really no other way to get out but to turn around. Both of them are kind of, because they can be like, because it's kind of like a passageway. That kind of creeps me out because it's a passageway. Yeah. I can't eat right now.
In a video game. Must finish.
Down here, Nate.
Okay.
Later. There's the tunnel. Now it's just getting around to it. There's the
Hey,
tape.
another tape recorder.
There we go.
You only got one more, man.
Let's get back to the road. It's taking way too long. Way too. I don't want to go into the trees anymore because I feel like the wall is more safer than like going into like the forest. Because each time I go into the forest, I usually end up dying because I don't have my hiding place inside of the hand, which makes me really safe. There's Big Dish! That's probably not a good idea. It's gonna suck so much if he disappears. He's only appeared once and that was really close. Imagine how close it's gonna be when he appears now. Oh no, I have to run right past this. I'm not even gonna turn. Okay, apparently I didn't turn over. I hate this so much. I'm gonna have so many nightmares when he catches me just like off guard. Like, if I can find the road, I will be like set. I won't complain about this game anymore. I'll just kind of like give up or something. Either way, I'm probably gonna take me quite a while before I recover from this. This is too much. No more horror games for today. Oh, is that the? Oh, so now it's about to turn here. Oh no. Yes! There we go. Head up the road. We gotta play some music. Like, this music is creepy.
Only slightly.
I don't even think this is music. I think it's burnt
Looks
to
like
sound.
your flashlight is gonna die.
Oh, like it always looks like that when the monster's nearby.
No.
I'm gonna run. Come on, building. Please be building here. I'm gonna be very upset there's no building. I have to make another sharp turn. It's gonna really... Oh. There's building. Yeah. Shut there, show it's inside the building. It's not in here. Well, it was a good game. So, hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna die. Watch, he's gonna be out that door. I can come. Well,
Can you close the door?
nope. He's gonna run out like a boss. Oh yes. What's up?
Then you turn.
Rah!
There he is.
Because I do have to turn, and that's gonna be really creepy.
Oh no! There he is. Run.
Come on, I gotta do this. You know it's here. Please, Mr. Creature thing. Please let me get this. It's going to like, it's gonna set, like, I'll be set. I don't need to play your game anymore. Please, just let me get this tape. I will love you forever, Mr. Creepy thing. I can hear it too. think? I think I like kind of going on there. I hear it. It's like static here. You're in the building. I screamed. Okay, I screamed really badly. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
My character screamed. Look how close he was. That was creepy. Okay, so apparently it's not there, so we haven't been here, have we? The cemetery and got that tape. Have we gotten the tape in the cemetery?
I don't remember.
Looking in the coffin.
There he is.
I hear it. Did you hear that? Walking sideways in that tube. Please go away my shit. Why would you put these tapes out here if you don't want anyone to find them? Have we gotten the tape from here?
Yeah.
Okay, we're just gonna make a quick look. Listen for something. Oh, I'm sweating like a boss.
Oh yeah.
This is creepy.
Would you like a towel?
Where have I not checked though? Oh yeah, remember the hand? Did I get that one?
Yeah.
I think I just ran past it though, because I couldn't grab it.
You got it.
You sure?
Yeah.
I haven't checked the inappropriate thing. Have I? I think I already checked the inappropriate thing.
Not this game, I don't believe. One of the ones
Out
that
here.
died.
Out here. So wrong here.
I hear water.
I hear that too. I don't want to follow it though. They usually leads to death and stuff. I'm just gonna go climb in my hand so I can be safe. Bump in the hand and stuff. This reminds me a lot like Slender. Like,
I hear stuff. I think.
have we gotten that one? I think so.
Yeah, we got that one already.
Okay, it's
I swear I heard stuff. I guess I'm on crack.
whoa, jumping. Okay. Oh, I have to move. I have to turn. I have to turn. I have to turn. I have to turn. Okay, we're good. Oh, thank you, wall, for being right here. I always encourage that wall. No, I have to leave it. My main goal right now is to be safe and not die and climb in my hand.
You can find it.
Yeah. I wish it was like a little safety area you could like run into and it wouldn't find you. It would give you like a hint where all the tapes are or something. I think I found the ants.
You did.
I hear tape. Did you hear it? Yeah, I definitely hear tape. See? That was the sound. It's just the sounds. Yeah, it's the sounds. It's definitely the sounds. No, it's just the sounds. I don't know, I just need to get my hand. Not the right hand, is it? No, it's not. I can just walk right through that. I don't like this. I'm not approved. Bump from my hand. Come on, hand. Yes! Come on, bite. Why are you in my hand? Quit it! That was supposed to be my safe place. Not yours. You don't need a safe place.
It was under your hands.
How long is this video? Watch, I check the video like I see him.